Hey my night babies, I'm back, ayy, I'm back, ayy, 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 I'm back.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Not me trying to film a video at 3:17 in the morning.
Stop it. Get some help.
But you know what? It's okay, cause y'all gonna get a video. Okay, so for today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all my sewing machine. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing y'all my sewing machine. Okay, so I positioned the camera lower so you guys could see. So this is what I got from Joann's. I got this like pillow fluff or whatever it want to be called. But I got some of this. Got some blue fabric. This is really cute. I really like this one. And some thread. Some blue thread to match. I might make like a little pillow just so y'all can see. And I should start an entrepreneur series. Just let me know. Just comment down below if you guys would like to see that. So yeah. So like before I show you guys my sewing machine, Before I show you guys my sewing machine, I want to show you guys what I made in 8th grade on the sewing machine. So this is like a little, not even little. It's the it's an apron, guys. Look, I'm making it sure. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay, so it's like this. So this fabric alright. It's okay. Okay, so we could get into the sewing machine now. So this is the sewing machine that I have. This is the instruction manual. So I have that. It comes with these. I'll show y'all when I open it so you can see it more. This is what I got from Walmart. I like this because like it comes with everything. And how do you know I needed this? How do you know? And this ball thing right here. How do you know? But yeah, I'll be showing y'all that upside down. Let's get into the fun. Let's get into the fun part. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Voila. Okay, so we got the sewing machine right here. I'm not making all that noise. Okay, so this is what comes with it. It comes with this foot stopper thingy. Not even a foot stopper. The thing where you go like that with it. Okay. It comes with a charger. Now, let's take the sewing machine out. Okay. I don't want me to do this. Okay. Hold up. Let me stand up for this. Okay, so right here has like a hook. Let me take that out. I'm trying not to damage the box because I want to put it back in. Oh wait, hold on. Let me take this out. Nope. Hold up.
Few moments later.
Oh my God! Wow!
I flipped it over because it says it needs batteries, and see here it says it needs batteries, but I'm gonna put that in later. I'm about to go steal some remote batteries. Hey guys, I found some remote batteries that I took, so yeah, I don't care. So I was gonna show y'all me like putting it together, but like they already did it for me. I'll just show y'all that the next time when I run out, so y'all can see. Turquoise is talking about use a screwdriver for that back of it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Screwdriver for the back. Will something happen? Because this is saying like adjust the hook line and stuff like that. Like, what if I just don't do that? Is something gonna happen? Okay, so I just cut some fabric from my leftover apron, but not my apron, the fabric that I had. So I already said this back in my video, but comment down below if you guys would like me to start like an entrepreneur series, like me sewing something like a blanket or a pillowcase or pajama pants, something like that, if you guys would like to see that. So don't forget to comment out down below. So this position is better, so I'm gonna put the screaming. It's the one that I made. Ew. Yeah, we gonna get better, guys. Ew. The back too. That was a trial and error. I want it like this. Like they made this. Like I'm about to try these different stitches. So y'all about to watch me. Okay, so look at the zigzag pattern. It's kind of cool, kind of. I think it's better than this stitch I did. The one that's number 1. Yeah, I think it's better than that one. So we got stitch number 1 here and the zigzag one. Number 7. Yeah. Alright, that was me unboxing my sewing machine and showing you guys some of the stitches I could do. I hope you guys enjoy. And probably my next video, I'm probably going to be doing like a pillowcase or something if you guys want to see that. Hope you guys enjoyed my little sewing video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to be a part of the #NightBabies. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.